Good morning, children. Let us proceed with question and answer of this chapter. In our previous class, I have given you some multiple choice questions for homework. I hope you have done your homework. So, answer of these questions are here. You can check your answers. First question is source of protein in our diet. Source of protein in our diet is milk. Option C is correct one. Second question was, what are required for the strong bones and teeth? Vitamins are required for strong bones and teeth. Option C. Which is, question 3, which is communicable disease? Here, chicken pox is communicable disease. Correct option is C. Question 4. Which component of food help us to get rid of undigested food from our body? Answer is rugage. Option A is correct. Rugage are the fibers which help us to get rid of undigested food from our body. Next question. Goiter is caused due to lack of. Goiter is caused due to lack of iodine in our food. Option B is correct. This is all I have given you in last video. Today some long answer type questions we will do. So first of all, write the heading nicely. Answer the following question in detail. Write question 1. Nirmala cannot see things properly or read in dim light. Which disease is she suffering from? Nirmala cannot see in dim light, so she is suffering from the disease night blindness. Question B. Lack of which nutrient is responsible for this disease? Night blindness disease caused due to lack of vitamin A in our food. So, answer is lack of vitamin A is responsible for this disease. Question C. Name any 4 food items that she need to include in her diet to improve her eyesight. She have to include green leafy vegetables such as spinach, lettuce, cabbage, carrot, milk, etc. All these things are very rich in vitamin A, so she can recover from night blindness. Next question is, do you eat these food items regularly? Children, this question is for you to answer. I hope you eat these things regularly. Next detailed question is question number 2. Rabi does not want to go to school because he is suffering from a disease. Doctor said he has lack of vitamin C in his body. So which disease is he suffering from? The lack of vitamin C causes the disease scurvy. So Rabi is suffering from the disease scurvy. You can write the answer. Rabi is suffering from disease scurvy. Next question. Write the symptoms of disease. The symptoms of the disease scurvy are swelling and bleeding gums. The people who are suffering from scurvy having bleeding and swelling gums. These are the symptoms. Is it a question number C? Is it a communicable disease? Scurvy is not a communicable disease. It is a deficiency disease. Scurvy is caused due to lack of vitamin C in our food. So, you can write the answer. Scurvy is not a communicable disease. It is a deficiency disease. Next question. What should Rabi include in his diet to get rid of this disease? Rabi should include citrus fruits such as lemon, orange, amla, tomatoes and lime in his diet. These fruits are very rich sources of vitamin C. So, he can recover from scurvy. Next question. Write a short note on following: carbohydrates, balanced diet, ruggage and non-communicable diseases. First of all, we will write the short notes of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate gives us quick energy. That is why they are called energy giving nutrients. Carbohydrates are present in rice, wheat, honey, potato. These are the rich sources of carbohydrates. Children, take your time, pause the video and write everything. Next is ruggage. Ruggage is the fiber present in plant food, raw salad, corn, cabbage, carrot and fruits. Ruggage helps us to get rid of undigested food. I told you before, ruggage is not have any nutritive value. Ruggage is the fibers that help us to get rid of undigested food from our body. Next short note is a balanced diet. Balanced diet that contain all the essential nutrients of food required by the body in proper proportion is called balanced diet. A diet that contain all essential nutrients of food required by our body in proper proportion is called balanced diet. And fourth, non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases, the diseases that do not spread from one person to another person are called non-communicable diseases. We studied some non-communicable diseases such as night blindness, heart attack, cancer, etc. These are the non-communicable diseases. These diseases not spread from one person to another person. These diseases might be deficiency diseases or some other diseases. Now see question number 4. Name 2 diseases that spread through air, water and direct contact. First of all, write the answer of the diseases which spread through air. The diseases such as chickenpox and tuberculosis spread through air. Answer 2. The diseases which spread through contaminated water are typhoid, cholera. Typhoid and cholera spread through water. The diseases which spread through direct contact with patient. Such diseases are ringworm, measles, spread through direct contact with patient. Okay, this is the homework for you children. Fill in the blanks and match the following and true false. I'll give the answer of this question in our next video. Try to answer this Okay, fill in the blanks we can do here. First fill in the blanks is dash are body building food. Carbohydrate or protein? Which are the body building food? Proteins are called body building food. Second one, dash give more energy than carbohydrates. So here correct option is fats. Fats gives more energy than carbohydrates. Third one, dash disease do not spread from one person to another person. Non-communicable diseases do not spread from one person to another person. Green leafy vegetables and fresh fruits are the source of vitamins. We should drink plenty of water. Okay, fill in the blanks. You can correctly write the answers. Now, homework. This true, false and matching you have to do at home on yourself. I'll give this answer in our next video. That's all for today, children. Have a good day.